I've been playing this awesome game. It's called Would You Rather. Would you rather get a cavity filled or pay for a root canal? Would you rather get an oil change or pay for a new transmission? Would you rather get the skin cancer cut off or start chemotherapy? All those last choices have to do with either prevention or reaction. You go to the doctor every year. You go to the dentist every 6 months. You take your car in to get it serviced every time you need an oil change. But you don't get an inspection on your house that will prevent something that could cost you a lot of money. For example, would you rather pay for a home maintenance inspection or move into a hotel for 2 weeks because the water heater exploded and all the floors and ceilings have to be done in your house? Would you rather get a home maintenance inspection or get a call from your neighbor while you're sitting at the beach that there's water pouring out your front door? Bottom line, folks, a home maintenance inspection is a whole lot cheaper and easier to deal with than a catastrophe. Consider getting a home maintenance inspection so that you know the condition of your house. What that'll do is it will help you maintain the value, because you know we all want to have value in our houses, so when we sell them, we actually make something. We have 2 different packages. We can do the full meal deal, home maintenance and safety. We'll check everything, cabinet doors, rotten wood, we'll do a thermal scan, or let's just say you're pretty good at keeping up with most things and you just need the big deals. We call that home maintenance light. We're checking the foundation, the roof, your mechanical systems, the electrical, your plumbing, those things that could end up costing you a lot of money. True story, a couple of weeks ago, I went and did one of these home maintenance inspections, and the homeowner had been having issues with their dryer. When I opened up that electric panel, the wiring to the dryer was burning up. Save yourself a lot of heartache. Consider getting a home maintenance inspection today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're going to get it inspected, inspect it like a girl.